3-minute flicks. Entertaining, educating, and enlightening.
Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we have a juicy topic for you. Palisade Peaches. These peaches have a reputation for being the best in the nation, and we're going to dive deep into the science and history behind their incredible flavor. Palisade peaches come from the small town of Palisade, nestled in the heart of Colorado's western slope. They have earned a place in the hearts and taste buds of many. But what makes them so special? Let's find out. To understand why Palisade peaches are celebrated, we must first explore their flavor profile. These peaches are renowned for their perfect balance of sweetness and acidity. The region's unique climate plays a pivotal role in shaping their taste. Palisade, Colorado, sits at an elevation of 4,728 feet, which provides warm days and cool nights. These dramatic temperature fluctuations contribute to the development of complex sugars, while the chilly nights help to preserve the acidity in the fruit. The soil in Palisade is rich in minerals, thanks to the volcanic ash deposits from ancient eruptions. This mineral-rich soil lends a distinctive depth to the flavor of Palisade peaches, making them stand out from peaches grown in other regions. Now, let's get into the scientific nitty-gritty. The combination of warm days and cool nights in Palisade leads to a specific biochemical process known as sugar synthesis. During the day, photosynthesis produces sugars in the peach trees, while at night, the cold temperatures slow down the consumption of these sugars. This results in a higher sugar-to-acid ratio, leading to the perfect balance we taste in Palisade peaches. Additionally, the mineral-rich soil provides essential nutrients to the peach trees, aiding in the development of complex and nuanced flavors. The science behind these peaches is truly fascinating. Now, let's not forget about the rich history and heritage of Palisade peaches. The first peach trees were planted in the late 19th century, and since then, generations of farmers have carefully cultivated and perfected the art of growing these delectable fruits. It's not just science, it's a labor of love. Another factor contributing to the popularity of Palisade peaches is the variety of peaches grown in the region. Some popular varieties include the classic Redhaven, the sweet and juicy Alberta, and the aromatic Cresthaven. Each variety offers a unique flavor experience, ensuring there's a Palisade peach for every palate. In conclusion, Palisade peaches have earned their reputation as America's best peaches through a combination of favorable climate conditions, mineral-rich soil, scientific processes, and generations of passionate farmers. The result is a peach that boasts the perfect balance of sweetness and acidity, making it a true culinary delight. If you haven't had the chance to taste Palisade peaches, we highly recommend seeking them out during the peak season. Whether you enjoy them fresh, in a pie, or as a topping for your favorite dessert, you're in for a delicious treat that's backed by both science and tradition. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about Palisade peaches and want more content like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, leave your comments below if you've had the pleasure of tasting these amazing peaches. Until next time, happy eating!
3-minute flicks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We create new videos weekly.